videos for brand.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get the stream back up. There's the bell. I thought I had it set for alert set, but obviously not. There's the bell. And away we go. Change my scanners over in just a second. There's the bell. Well, I'll don't worry. I'll be checking for that a little bit later. I don't know what's going on. I was going to do it over the weekend, never got around to it. In terms of checking the what caused the black screen of death, it happened last week as well once. So the wider market is up today, slightly. CMRX. EBS. Change the scanners over now. And look for something to trade. Yeah, I was looking at Govax earlier. Geovax. 50% on the day. So Govax moving up 225s, breaking highs. Geovax Labs. Yes, I know I'm late, Tony, but unfortunately I had a little technical issue I had to address. Oh, I am. Don't worry, Marianne. I am. You just don't see it on the screen because I've got another 6 different charts on one of my other screens. Unfortunately, I can't show everything everything that I'm watching on the one screen. Not unless I'm making them extremely small. I suppose I could do that. Oh, because I'm looking, I've got one chart open that's the wider market. I've got a SPY on that one. I've got SIGA. I've got EBS. Both selling off at the minute. Of course, I'm watching Geovax. It's below my threshold that I like trade. VMware's below the VWAP, so I'm not trading that at the minute. AgriForce is making moves up. But I'll wait for something to meet my criteria for trading. Not taking any trades yet, Snooze. How much have you made? Agri is looking interesting, Phil. Right. Let me just. Oh, he probably just banked 5 million. You're probably right, Marion. I want to get rid of these off my chart from last week. Red box. Moving, but a high relative volume on that one. Well, the fact that you're trying to compare forex to equities tells me that you're the mug. But you clearly don't know what you're talking about. But you do you, boo boo. But you go and trade your forex. You stick to your Aussie dollars, Swiss francs. Wider market. Having a bit of a sell. Greece holding most of those gains. Nothing jumping up on the scanners just yet. Forge Global. Again, very low volume. EBS. We were doing so well with that last stream as well. We had, quite a lot of likes. I'm going to build them back up again now. I'm not losing money either, Snooze. Not like you. Not going to take a trade just for your entertainment. What do you think I am, a mug? I'll wait for a setup, thanks. Well, you're welcome to stick around. You're entertaining. You're doing more entertaining my chat than I am. Muppet. And then TNX. Right. How's this one moving up? Mechanics. Ah, know them very well. In my past life. Used to be a direct competitor. Nutanix. Ooh. Bain Capital may be looking to take Nutanix private. So conference call in 3 days. Q3 earnings confirmed tomorrow after market close. So that's why Nutanix looking interesting. That's why it popped up. Bain Capital looking to take them private. How's Govax doing? It's the one that popped up, selling off. How's SIGA doing? Vomited at the open. Wait for that to come back. Same thing with all of these vaccine stocks that I was expecting to moon. TNXP, not so much. Smaller, lower price. Struggling at that $0.75 level. Yeah. How much did I make in the last 12 months? Oh, good question. I'd have to look at that specifically. How much have I made this year? Close to 300,000. Is more than he'll probably earn in his in the next 10. See, guy just doesn't know what he's talking about. If you think, and clearly he's not a profitable trader, so otherwise he wouldn't think $150 is expensive. But you know, if you can't afford $150 and you think that's expensive, clearly you're not making the gains that you're claiming. Nutanix, let's have a look. Did you break out? Oh yeah, you did. Nice good pop there. Missed that one. On the 2 minute, I was watching it on the 2 minute to start off with. I was looking for a pop here, maybe got in there at 35. Could have got 40 cents move there. Missed that one. Never mind. There'll be another one. How's VMware getting on? Sideways. CNCE. This hair loss treatment. Sideways. Well, it's quiet at the moment, guys. Does anybody see anything that I'm not seeing? What price is Inovio? That's a smaller. Well, there's a few of these bioscience stocks that are below the $3 that I have as my cutoff, but it could be worth trading if you like them. TNXP, Govax are two examples of that. Onyx Pharmaceuticals. Which trading platform is this? This is Dash Trader, Dash Trader Pro. Never used smart charts. Could be being completely honest, Tashi. I'll look into that, see what it's saying. Trading. I use TradingView. DAS Trader Pro. So DAS, Direct Access Software. So DAS Trader Pro. Oh, start moving again. I'm going to go green on the day. Back to Nutanix. I missed it. Missed the entry. But Nutanix, I know Nutanix very well. Storage and data management company. Been competition of mine for many years whilst I was in that business. No, it's about $150 a month with all the data fees included there, Tashi. Nutanix, if they get bought out, if they get taken private by Bain Capital, that could be interesting for that particular industry. Oh, just taking my time today. A bit of a cushion on this one. So this has made $325. So this is the so Dash Trader is a platform. It gives me direct access to the markets. The broker that I use with this at the moment is, no, I'm actually I am originally from the UK, but I'm in Ireland at the moment. But the broker I use where I hold my money and things is Capital Markets Elite Group for day trading. I have accounts with Capital Markets and I have accounts with Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is probably, they have a lot more versatility in terms of what you can and can't trade. But Capital Markets gives you more leverage on a margin account. So that's the reasons why I have accounts with both. I day trade primarily with Capital Markets Elite Group. And DAS Trader Pro is the software that I use to perform the trades. So Nutanix is what I'm watching at the moment. It's what I've just traded. It's up 10% on the day. It's on the it hit the momentum scanner, and I know the company. Well, I'm very disappointed in the performance of SIGA. That's now about to go red on the day. SIGA Technologies. EBS. Well, that's held its gains a little bit more. CMRX. I guess we're not too worried about smallpox anymore. Geovac's still moving up though. Trying to stay above $2. Upstart looks to have gone green on the day. Just Upstart's having a good day. A bit more expensive. Forge is moving, but never on good volume. That's the problem with Forge. It's like 250,000 shares traded so far since the bell, well, all day. And I'm not enamored with that. When Forge gets good volume, it really motors. You get great volatility with Forge because it's such a low float stock. Redbox. That old chestnut that won't go away. Having a good moment. Don't chase it. Wait for an entry. Wait for a pullback before you jump in. Yeah, so I was slightly ahead of you, Alphabet. Decent volume too. It's just halted up. Oh, is it going to be false halt or is it going to halt up? So that's the first volatility halt of the day that I've seen. Yeah, that's today's first volatility halt, and that's on Redbox. So that will resume. Got an itchy face. That will resume at 9:52 market time. So I'll come back to that later. I'll add that to the watch list because it's 18% up on the day now. Right, what else is new? What's the market doing right now? It's up. Look at that. We did have a bounce. So Friday we went bear. We went into a bear market on Friday for the first time officially into a bear market. We broke through that 385 on the SPY, and then it bounced and came straight back up. Went all the way down to kind of 380s and 380.54 on the SPY, and then bounced and came all the way back up on Friday. So we're looking at trying to climb up into the mid 390s here. What's the Nasdaq doing? Not doing as well, but similar pattern. Russell index, small cap index. Down from the open. Back to red box whilst we're looking for something else to trade. EPSI. That's good volatility, crap volume. It's halted though. That's another halt. That halted 10 seconds ago. A minute ago. That's now up 1% on the day. Peru's making another, trying to make a comeback. Didn't Kramer say this was going to go higher? Trying to go green on the day. SIGA's selling off. I might short that. Short SIGA. That's been very weak. Shortable. Back to that. There's nothing else to trade. I can always short the hell out of that. If you're wondering if you're in the stream and you don't know what shorting is, when you short something, it means you sell it before you buy it. You borrow shares, sell at a premium price, and wait for the price to go down, and then you buy them back and you pocket the difference. Neon. Neonode. Oh, there's red box. Pull back a little bit. Right. Yeah. Direction I wanted. 2. Looking for red box to start making another move up. A little bit of profit off there. Red box can be quite volatile, as we've seen over the last couple of weeks. Just one of those stocks that just doesn't want to go away. Can be quite volatile. Take that off. Gets us green on the ticker. $0.75 range is looking difficult. Find a bit of resistance there. I'm using the support at the $0.50. Breaks that, I get out. There we go, get out. But we're up, we're down. Down, we're up. Just trading red box. We're looking for this to break the $0.50 now. Move up. Retest that $0.75 at 6.75. I was looking for support at the $0.50, now finding resistance there. Quick stop to avoid any kind of flush. 20 cents risk. There we go. Get out. Look for an entry that makes sense now. Where was the entry? At 45. Break back up of the $0.50. The entry will be 50 will actually be the break of the $0.50. Look for the break of the $0.50 rather than anticipating the break of the $0.50. It's the high of the candle on 2-minute candle as well, so that's the confirmation I need. TNXP moving, is it? Oh, sold off. Huge. Oh, look at that double top M pattern. Huge sell off. Geovax, Redbox. What did Nutanix do? Oh, we got out at the high. It's fine. We've got a nice little double bottom here on the 1 minute. Redbox has the volume and the volatility though, so that's what I'm looking for here. Yeah, it absolutely is. We've just got up to the $0.50 again. I want to see it break the $0.50 before I enter this time. Breaked out last time. I didn't want to go that high. Didn't want to go that big, but let's see what happens. That was a bit silly. A little bit too big for my liking there. Way too big for my liking. I didn't want to put 35,000 shares in there as they got filled. Five-minute fake out. My risk and reward versus out the way, because I'm not going to get 20k out of this, that's for sure. Are we going to move back up, back to the upside and bounce at this level? Careful with your hotkeys, kids. It can be oversensitive sometimes. Why I used to use only hot buttons. Well, the gains we made on Friday, we're just giving it all back. Well, I started today with 41k in Ronin in equity, but I get 6 times leverage. So that was just ridiculous of me. Cost me a lot of money, did that. Stupid error. Only wanted to buy 5,000, ended up with 35,000. I got faked out. It's just typical. You get faked out when you make a mistake on the share size. Oh well, we'll trade that away. We'll get that back. Confident. Now the VWAP says support at 610 as well, but it's just blasted through that. Yeah, it went up to 50. It wanted the break of the $0.50 because I got faked out previously. It broke and only went up to 54. So okay, let's go back to Nutanix. Nice. Thing is now, I don't want to be trading big, try and revenge trade that. So that was idiot trading that. VMware is still the top gainer really with any kind of real volume. Sold off. And it's Redbox. Wow, look at the range on that. Looking nasty. Right, so Redbox is going to give us that money back. This time it's going to be in increments. 15. TNXP, I'll have a look at it for you, Frank. You're getting support level at 260. Confirm support around 260, yeah. At the open, it started off there, came back to 260. So you've touched it twice, but be careful because what you're getting here is a flat bottom, and a flat bottom is bearish. So you're getting a descending wedge into a flat bottom, and that typically will break downwards. So just be careful on that one. Plus you've got resistance at 260. It's looking like the pattern's setting up like it can break downwards. SIGA's still selling off. look for an entry here to go short. No problem, Frank. You're welcome. VMware, yeah, absolutely. It's been selling off. It's not not done much since the open. This is VMware selling off 100, 112. Most a gentle. It's underneath the VWAP, so it's in downwards trending today. But it moved up pre-market, and a lot of profit takers right now.